Hello. I just wanted to state a couple things. A lot of people have been asking for two separate things. One, for me to do a video on server modifications as well as some single player mods, and the second is to do a video on how to set it up for 1.8. Now, on the topic subject of the first one is most modifications. They have a website or at least a Minecraft forum or topic thread, whatever, I can't remember or think right now. Thread, that's it. They have a thread dedicated to it on the official Minecraft forums that explain how to do everything. They have the download process, the setup process, the installation process, and everything that you would need to learn how to do it. It's not hard. A lot of them are just simple. Download this, put this in this folder, and then click on this. It's not that difficult. I mean, it'd only be difficult if you didn't know how to read and you thought it was all Chinese or something. But it's not. The other thing is, a lot of people have been doing or asking for me to do a video on 1.8. Now, there's not haven't been that many changes in 1.8 that justify doing an entire new video. So what I think I'll do is I'll actually just go through the changes and see if there's anything significant. If there is, I may think about doing a new video about it, but that's very unlikely. But more than likely what I will do is just go through, find out what has changed, and just do a little video that's like, it says this and this has changed. If you want to do this now, you just got to do that. Just a couple things to note what has actually been moved around and what has been added and whatnot. But other than that, I don't see myself doing an entire new video for 1.8. It'd just be kind of redundant, since most of the instructions would be the same instructions from 1.7 and the old, and maybe the one before that. But yeah, I'll try and get that done within a week. Just remember, I have to juggle this, college, and other projects and other junk. But yeah, it shouldn't be that difficult to just go through and find all the new things. So I guess just have fun playing single player and other stuff like that for a while. Oh, and one last thing. A lot of people have been asking about, I've been getting so-and-so error and that error. Well, when I first did the original video on how to set this stuff up, most of it I figured out just by trial and error, which means if you don't know what that means, basically do the same thing over different ways until you find a way that works. I mean, and what I did is, it didn't work for me for a while. When I searched everything I could about the problem, eventually found a solution and it worked. I mean, if you can't find the solution, I suggest you go to Minecraft, the Minecraft official forums, make an account, make a new topic, just ask politely if you can get some help. Most of the time they'll be pretty friendly. If you have any other issues, you can try leaving a comment here, but you gotta remember, there's a lot of people that comment about the same thing, and a lot of them don't seem to read, because most of the time the question's been answered like 4 or 5 times, and most of the time it's the same thing, just trial and error. Try something different, think or approach the problem differently than how you normally would. So I honestly don't know what to tell you. You just got to do trial and error. That's what I did originally. I am thinking about redoing that. I think I still have that video up anyway. The simple server launcher. I think I'm going to redo that because there's a lot of things wrong with it. That now that I think about it, because that was when I was just learning Bash, and when I go back to look at it, I just realize there's a whole bunch of crap that's wrong with it. So I will redo that. That won't be hard at all since I know the problems with it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Just watch the your subscription, I suppose, if you have it me subscribed. By the way, thank you. And I will get that video out soon enough, as well as redo the one for the simple server launcher. I'll make a new video for that and erase the old one, as I don't think people should be using the old one, considering I made so many screw ups with it. But anyway, yeah, just keep watching it and you'll eventually find it. Alright, have a good day.